Hello, my name is Jeffrey Smith. I'm the Chief Instructor here at DTI. I want to show you how to place spreads and iron condors in the Interactive Brokers Trader Workstation. This is the October 24, 2013 build. So if you have something a little earlier, it might look a little different. What they've done is they've changed this tab right here from Combo to Strategy Builder. So it might say Combo. This window that you see here is the option trader, and I'll just kind of highlight that right here. This is the option trader window. So to get to that, you'll just have to open up a new window, go to the advanced trading tools, and then grab the option trader. The option trader window is a little different than the option chain in that it gives you a little more data and allows you to actually build little strategies and things of this sort. So you need to put a symbol in right here. I got Apple in here at this moment, and of course it'll give you the last price, your bid and ask, and things of this sort. So you have little statistics here on the option volume and various other things if you want to kind of look at that. Down here in the actual option chain, I myself have the bid and ask and the open interest and the delta for these options. And if you want to change that, you can simply just right click in this little menu here, or the column headings, and then go to configure the option chain, and you can rearrange the column headings and add more if you want more and things of this sort. If you want to add the beta and the theta and stuff like that, you're more than welcome to do so, of course. So from there, these are weekly options. You can change your exchanges, your expiries, your expiration dates if you want that. These are weekly options, and of course the different strike prices if you want to see different strikes. And we can kind of go from there. You can just simply go to orders here and just click and right click. If you're just wanting to do a single option, simply right click on the call option or the put option that you want. If you think Apple's moving lower, you can come over here, right click on your put. You can buy a put just by clicking your buy and sell. But it all depends on what you want to do there. What we're here to do is kind of look at spreads or iron condors, which are just two spreads. I can go over here to Strategy Builder, and if we're wanting to do if we think Apple is going to be moving lower, I can sell a call spread, or I can buy a put spread. So, and that's just kind of one example. We'll just kind of walk through it very quickly. If I want to sell the 530 call, just remember that when you're selling something at market or buying something at market, you'll either buy from the offer or sell to the bid. And that's kind of what the Trader Workstation is going to work off of. If you're clicking on one or the other, it will actually put it up in your strategy builder as a buy or a sell. So if I think we're going to be moving lower, I sell at the bid, so I can come up here to the 530 call, if you will, and I will just left click on it, and notice it says sell, and I'm looking right up here inside of this window, but it will sell the 530 call, and I can now go to the 535 and I can click on the ask, which if you bought at market, and I can left click on it. And you'll notice here that once I've got both of these in here, I have a sell of a 530 and I have a buy of a 535. You have a bear spread, and you'll notice there's a green C here and also a green credit here. So you're going to have a credit on this spread. So this is a credit spread. So it tells you it's a credit spread, which means that if you sell it, you'll actually bring money into your account. Of course, it doesn't look like we're going to get any more than 8 cents off the spread, so it's not all that much. But this is Thursday and tomorrow's expiration, so that's probably not going to be a whole lot anyway. You can click these little X's here to cancel an individual order, or if you use this X, it'll cancel all of them. So we're going to cancel all of those, and I'll show you the debit spread. Let's say if we still think it's going to be going down, let's just do the 510, 505. So I'm going to click over here and buy the 510. I'll left click on it. Notice it comes up as a buy, and I will sell the 505. And notice now I have a red D. It says a bear spread, and it says it's a debit. So, but it will tell you if you click on a debit spread or a credit spread. And of course from there you can just change the number of contracts you want. If that's a good till canceled, no limit orders or market orders, whichever it may be. And of course you can just click your transmit button, confirm the order, and off it goes. So that's just the spread. For the Condor, really it's just two spreads, right? It's going to be two credit spreads. So if we think that Apple here will just kind of do the same ones, we will sell the put spread and sell the call spread. So let's go to the call spread and let us sell the 530, and we will buy the 535. So now I've got my bear spread in here, and I'm going to come over here to my put side, and I'm going to sell the 510, and I'm going to buy the 505. And now you'll notice that I have a sell of my 530, a buy of my 535, a sell of the 510, and a buy of the 505. Notice it says it's a 36-cent credit, and over here it just tells me it's an iron condor. And once I have my spread in here, I can now click transmit, or I can change my limit price to a different limit price for whatever you want to sell it for. And now I will have an iron condor out and working. So it is pretty simple if you're using the strategy builder. It's better than just doing one call and one put and one call and one put at a time. And we can now put all of them in at once, and off it goes. And since we're going to the bid and the offer, it will get filled immediately. Now, of course, you can leg into these. Many people like to leg into the iron condor. You can, if we're down toward the low side, since we're down here at 517, you might sell the, the 510, 505 put spread, and then wait till it rallies back up to sell the call spread. Whichever it may be, it doesn't really matter. But I have many people asking me how to just place an iron condor inside of the Trader Workstation, and it's actually quite simple. So, but anyway, I will leave the video at that, and thank you very much.